Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Misra from Jharkhand, currently pursuing Diploma in Hotel Management from Inspire Living Management Academy Lucknow. This is the only institute which provide international placement. Apart from this institute, other institute across India students are also internationally placed. Personality development communication is the key of this institute. So I would like to suggest you that if you have completed your 12th or would you like to make a career in hotel management, please come and join Inspire Living Management Academy, Lucknow.
Three, two, one.
Studying hotel management can offer a range of benefits. Let's discuss them in detail and feel free to post your further questions and queries to know more. Do subscribe, comment, follow and share the information. We at Inspire Living Management Academy Lucknow are excited to support you. Option 1. It offers diverse career opportunities. Hotel management graduates can work in a variety of roles within the hospitality industry, including hotel operations, food and beverage management, event planning, and tourism management. Graduates can also work in related fields such as retail, leisure, and entertainment. Option 2. It offers transferable skills. Hotel management graduates gain a broad range of skills that are transferable to other industries, including communication, leadership, problem solving, teamwork, and customer service. Option 3 is due to industry growth and stability. The hospitality industry is growing rapidly, and it is projected to continue to grow in the future. As a result, hotel management graduates can expect good job opportunities and long-term career stability. Option 4. It offers global career opportunities. Hotel management is a global industry, and graduates have the opportunity to work in hotels and resorts around the world. This can be a great opportunity to travel and gain valuable international experience. Option 5. It offers entrepreneurial opportunities. Hotel management graduates can also start their own businesses in the hospitality industry, such as hotels, restaurants, and catering companies. Option 6 leads to job satisfaction. Hotel management can be a rewarding career path, as it involves creating memorable experiences for guests, managing teams of employees, and contributing to the overall success of a business. Overall, studying hotel management can provide a wide range of career opportunities, transferable skills, and personal and professional growth, making it an excellent choice for students who are interested in the hospitality industry. Come and study hotel management with ILMA Lucknow, which is also known as Inspire Living Management Academy Lucknow or just Inspire Living. Apply now to enroll into degree or diploma courses. By the way, please subscribe and share with others.